cars? Deb.
Huh?
Yeah.
Everything.
My breath literally just fogged my glasses up.
Quiet.
It's the birds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Birds do not know what to do during this. It's a brief moment to look down at the lake.
Oh, that's so pretty. I'm sorry, I'm just really excited.
Right. We need some southern air there.
We're about to come out of it.
Yeah, that's what I was
My
lifetime. You know? That's
Oh
what I
my.
said.
So Mariah, when you're watching it again, think of me.
Oh.
Listen to all those birds.
It's so fucking pretty. It's so unbelievably unfairly pretty.
I know.
Yeah, you can hear all the nighttime wildlife. I know you already said that, but
They're all chirping and... Oh, look at that!
My
Look
camera.
at that pink around there. Isn't that
More light
pretty?
is required to record.
oh,
It's coming out.
there's the
Oh
there's
wow,
just
look at that.
We're out of totality. Oh my god. That was
look out there.
Oh my god.
Clouds over there are still in shadow.
so
Like,
crazy.
look back there. If you have
Yep,
them.
I saw it.
Okay.
How wasn't I losing my mind?
You were.
You were.
You
I
realized it
just
later.
completely lost my
It's
mind.
only a little bit challenging
Whoa.
with the glasses on.
You can still see a bit of the corona to the south of it. Or
Uh-huh.
whatever. I don't even know what the directions are in this.
Whoa, it's bright
Like,
again.
2 minutes it was perfect.
That much of the sun makes
We're losing
this
a
much
star
of the
of the
brightness.
that's fine. No, it's fine. I'm so sorry. I thought it was a flare. I didn't even know how to say the word flare.
I know, your whole body is going, what the? Your whole mind and body just have this absolute explosion. Like, this
Oh
is
yeah,
insane.
it's
And then
my
so
body
many
just went,
insanity.
oh, it's morning. I should get up and make t-shirts.
Wow, that is one hell of a bright moon.
I don't know,
This-
but how's my mind
this-
not blown right now?
This, oh, it is. Oh, this little of the sun makes this much light.
Oh my gosh. But what an interplanetary experience.
And we get to hear a turtle dove calling because it thinks it's evening.
Wow.
I love turtle doves. So rapidly getting over.
Oh yeah.
A little click beetle literally just came out of its
Cool, we got
burrow
a
here.
snow blizzard tonight.
Oh, what?
A little click
A
beetle.
blizzard.
A blizzard.
Click beetle.
Yeah.
What the heck is a click beetle?
It's this guy right here. Yeah, he's trying to dig in the ground.
Where'd he
Shut your
go?
mouth.
Right there.
Shut your mouth.
Although I've never seen a dung beetle either. Do we even know what a dung beetle is? A dung beetle?
They love the people.
Yeah.
Why you
They
said that
eat
like
it. It's a dung beetle.
These birds don't know what the hell to do.
Take the first letter of each word, like dung beetle, and you
Yeah.
call it a bung beetle.
I like that.
Or candlestick, it's a stand-up pick. What other ones? Candle wax is Randall Cats.
We'll go with that one.
What, Randall
I'll
Cats?
just eat the whole thing. I'll just eat the whole thing.
What, the cookie?
Yeah, the whole can of facts.
True. If it was made of chocolate.
Oh, look out at the lake again.
Is it starting to get glimmery again?
It's well, it was I think it's starting to get the evaporative winds you were talking about
Yeah,
back
because it's
there.
starting to move.
Yeah.
Bird just.
Yep,
Bird,
that
I
was
literally
graceful.
can't even think right now.
Yes,
A
it
fish
did.
just bit 4 bugs because it thinks it's eating.
Like a little twisted jumble.
That actually might be all we can do to have set up down there.
Oh, wow.
Well, it does look just like in the photographs.
Mm-hmm.
Fish are biting. It's like a lot of fish biting. Oh man.
They're swearing upside down. It's nighttime.
Yeah.
It's not.
I mean, yeah.
Sam, honestly.
Oh, the fish are up and out. Wow, there are a lot of them out
Aren't
there.
they?
What's that?
Right there, right there.
There's no traffic, nothing.
This was the right spot to come.
Bug biters.
Bug,
That's a good spot to come in.
bug ass is where it's at. That's why I don't.
What kind of chip dip? Fritos.
It's such really dark in the dark.
Oh, it'll be that way for a little while longer.
I know, just. I seriously missed out in 2017 when I just
Glad you took the day off work today.
I'm glad I came up here today. Took off work.
Tell them, I'm going to write a book for you, okay?
Now the morning birds are starting to call again.
Yeah. Yeah, the birds go wild during this. Because, you know, you rarely get all the times a day in like in the span of 5 minutes.
Right. In the span of 5 minutes, your body goes, what the? And then your whole perspective on everything is just like, wow. An interplanetary experience.
Okay, so I don't think that was a solar flare. I got excited. I think that was like a solar prominence or something.
What is a solar prominence?
It's where the magnetic fields on the sun throw plasma up in the air. It just gets pushed up above the surface, and it kind of hangs off the side. Flare would be like sudden, as in solar terms, like a couple hours long. It might have still been a flare.
Oh, wow.
If
I don't think that's like super knowable from just looking, like because we see like a minute and a half.
Right.
it's not knowable from looking, but
It is knowable from like looking at
Interplanetary.
data and stuff. You were saying?
Scientists.
I got distracted hearing little rodents moving around. No, if you look on spaceweather.com, that'll probably have like all the information about it. I usually go to that to look at spaceweather.com.
Space weather.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll check that out.
I like that spot.
I love
God, there's still so little of it, but it's still so bright. What?
Yeah.
I thought this was dark before. What is going on?
I thought it was dark before, but my eyes were like, what the?
I just don't know.
I just don't know how I'm going to deal with it. My body can't deal with it. It's like an
Seagulls get
electromagnetic force went through me and said, okay, this is the calm moment.
You got the zapparoonie.
Exactly. I got the
And then
zapparoonie.
somebody's firing off a gun.
Bird.
Bam. Egret, to be exact, I think.
Is that
Oh.
right?
I think so. Don't know what it is.
I thought it was a gull.
Oh, it might be a
Ballerina.
seagull. Who knows?
It's a very pretty bird.
Yeah, it is. Lighter bird.
The gun club's having a party out there, I guess. I don't even know.
Why are they moving out?
Even this fraction of the light of the sun is this bright.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wow. Oh my god, it's like a spotlight.
Uh-huh.
It's not even like sunlight, it's like a
The sun. It's like the sun. There's so much light.